Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you one of the best binary option strategy that you can use to make profitable trades again and again for lifelong. So if you understand the whole concept of this strategy, then it can help you to get you maximum number of profitable and right trades in a row. Okay, so watch this video till the end and very carefully. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video if you think this video added some value to your life. Now the strategy is extremely simple, and if you don't have an account on this platform and want to get huge amount of deposit bonus while making account while depositing for the first time in the platform, then you can use the link that I have given in the description of this YouTube video. You'll also keep on getting deposit bonus when you keep on depositing in future days if you use that link. So now let me explain you the strategy. Okay, it is extremely simple. Firstly, you need to select the currency pair where you want to make trades on, and then select the candlestick, make it off. If you want to trade on 5-second time frame, you can use it on that also, or you can trade in any time frame. Okay, so whatever time frame you want to trade, if you want to trade on 5-second time frame, then make sure S5 candle is selected. Okay, so that means all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Similarly, if you have selected this S5 time frame candle, then make sure S5 trading time frame is also selected. Okay, and the same thing goes to M1. M1 means 1 minute. Just select M1. And if you are not seeing this kind of thing, then make sure this flag is turned into clock. So now once you do this much, then decide the amount that you want to invest at here. Okay, so once you do this much, then what you need to do is click on this icon and then click on horizontal lines. Now wherever the market is ranging, like you can see there, here is a range. Okay, then just pull this horizontal line to at here, so it can toss the maximum number of candles. Okay, as you can see here, so it is fine. It should not be accurate. Okay, just in the place where all of these candles are touching it. Okay, as you can see here. You can also, what you can also do is again click on here and click on horizontal line. Okay, and pull this pull this line to a little bit above. Okay, so wherever the maximum time these candles will toss this line. Okay, put it at somewhere at there. So once you do this much, if there is any other, like for example at here, if it is at here, just do the same thing, click on horizontal line. Okay, and then put it in this way. Okay, maximum time this candles top or bottom should toss this horizontal line. Okay, so now once you start to do this, then you will see a format. Okay, so for example, whenever this chart was forming, okay, whenever this chart was forming, as you can see, it fell down from here. Okay, and it started to move up. It made a point at here, again fell down, again came here, and it again fell down. Now from here it again went up. Okay, again it fell down. Okay, again it went up. Okay, again it fell down. Okay, and it came to this range. Okay, so now what you can do is you have found certain range. Okay, from where market could have gone upside or downside. Now whenever here it was forming, okay, you can see it was a point from where market needed to calm down. Okay, it acted like a support and resistance at here, but it breaked out at here, so you could have easily made a trade by clicking on higher at this candle. Okay, similarly whenever it went up, okay, and you can see that next candle are red. Okay, it is falling down. Now in here you can easily take trade by clicking on lower. I'll show you by making trade also, don't worry about that. And you can see it was not able to break in the upward direction. Now it started to fall down. Now you could easily make any trade, like it crossed from here. Okay, you could see this one candle, two candle, and made a trade anywhere at here. Okay, in any of these candle. Okay, by clicking on lower. Now as you can see, it have fell down. Okay, it break down. Now it is struggling to go up. Okay, so now it went up. Now I'll make a trade by and show you. Okay, so it went up. Now what happens in this next candle, let's see. Okay, so it also went up. So now I can click on higher and expect to make this trade right. Okay, so let's see. Yes, I made this trade right. Now most probably if it broke out, then here is another point where I can make a trade. Okay, by using this strategy, it is extremely simple to find out the point where you can make trade. Now not 100% of the time you are going to make your trade right. Now if it also close on green, then it could be a pure signal. Like I can, let's see what happens. So yes, I made a profit at here also. As you can see, it broke out. Now these were the level. Now I can make a trade at here also. Okay. So guys, in this way you can keep on making trade. As you can see, it started to fall down. Now from here, if it again go back, then I could have make another trade by clicking on higher. Okay, you can draw this kind of horizontal lines and find certain points where you can keep on making trade and expect to make higher number of right trades. Okay, it is as simple as this. And if you think this strategy was helpful for you, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And one important thing, firstly, test this strategy properly in your demo account, and if you think it is working for you again and again, then only use it in your real account. Now I'll see you in my next video. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.